Okay, welcome back. As you can see, we've nearly got the boiler. Well, we've got all the wire and harness off. All that we've got left on is the gas valve, the main heat exchanger, and the air intake. In fact, we can actually get rid of the air intake now. And one thing you need to check on this, when you take this out, is make sure the seals are good there. And that's not going to come off. We need to pop that clip off. Get that one out. Remove the flow pipe, which is easier said than done because it is always. In fact, we'll take the entire thing off, eh? So we'll get rid of that. Alright. Right, well, we'll leave that in for now because it's been an awkward bugger to get out. So, always check the seals on the air intake, make sure they're all good. Okay, and if you look in there, you can see that's the flue flow set. That's the sensor for the flue, the overheat sensor. So that notes if anything's going wrong with it. Now, this section here, the hydraulic block at the bottom, got a screw there, a screw there, and then we've got these yellow clips here and here. And to undo them, you just pinch and turn. They're like a quarter turn. The screws are there, and one used to be in there. But we slack them off, and then we pinch these together and turn, and then the whole hydraulic block, because it's on. So just make sure they're loose. That one. And that one off. It's caught, that is, on the back. But a little bit of a wiggle. Get that up there. It will come. It will come. Alright, now. There is the entire hydraulic block, which basically, once you take the pump off, is just a load of tubes and plastic. There's nothing else left in there, apart from the domestic hot water sensor, which I haven't took out, but you can pull that, move that over, and then just remove that. And there's the domestic hot water sensor. So yeah,
How are you doing?
that's the whole lot done.
You're mending a car, aren't you?
So yeah, that's the.
Supposed to be mending a car. She's got lots of bits.
So that's the neighbours wondering what I'm doing. So now all we've got left is literally a shell and the main heat exchanger. So that's the last thing we'll remove, and the sump. And the gas valve, and we're just going to end up with a bit of tin. PC board's still in there, but I'm probably going to save that because that's pretty good. But the rest of it is down there. So there's not much to them really. Once you get used to it, and if you ever strip one of these down like this, then you'll know exactly how it all works and what does what, and it makes life a little bit easier to diagnose these Worcesters. And I can tell you now, there's a million of them, these ballers out there, so this information is going to be invaluable to you. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed the vids. I'll do one more just to remove the main heat exchanger, and that's it. Cheers.